Hey there, my name is Kara Smith, Senior Director of Channel Enablement here at VIOLIN Systems. I'm joined today by one of our Senior Channel System Engineers, Todd Harris. Todd, thanks for joining.
Good morning, Ms. Kara.
Good morning. Hey, so Todd, we are discussing a new tool that VIOLIN is just kicking out the door. It's our Virtual POC. Are you ready to fill us in?
I'm ready.
Great. So tell us, what is the VIOLIN Virtual POC, or VPOC, as we've been calling it around the office?
The VPOC is simply a representation of what every single one of our customers has in their environments. You know, servers, host OSs, and of course the QV 2020, for them to demonstrate and utilize.
Great. So walk us through some of the use cases for the Virtual POC.
We offer our customers, the ability to validate our better business performance, for them to be able to go in and actually see what a 70-30 workload with at 100,000 IOPS or 500,000 IOPS actually looks like, and how it performs on our QV 2020.
Great. Do they get to see the GUI that we all talk about?
Yeah, so there's a range of options that they can run through with their virtual POC. They can do a self-driven virtual POC. They can do a VIOLIN guided demo, where I or a VIOLIN engineer will go in and show them exactly, how to use the GUI and how to set things up and how to look at performance characteristics. We could do some sort of a guided tour of the virtual environment, where the customer might actually have us show them how to use some of the performance benchmarking tools, show them what these workloads look like in their environment, or hand them over the keys of the kingdom and they can load up their own data and load up their own operating systems and see how everything's going to perform to their expectations.
Great. So it's definitely an in-between between just hearing what we're saying out in the field and having a physical unit in their environment to test. It's Absolutely. A great in-between for them to get a feel for applications, performance, etc.
Absolutely.
Perfect. So Todd, how do people schedule time to actually use the virtual POC?
Just simply reach out to your local channel director, channel sales director, or reach out to one of your solutions architects, and we'll be happy to guide you through the process of getting into our virtual proof of concept lab.
Sounds great. Well, perfect. Well, you guys heard it here. First, we've got a virtual POC that is live and ready for partners, end users, etc. to drive. Todd, thanks so much for joining us today and giving us the lay of the land on the virtual POC.
Thank you for having me, Ms. Kara.
Absolutely. So for those of you watching, thanks for tuning in. For questions around these insights and more, email us at winwithviolin@violinsystems.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next episode of Win with VIOLIN.